Hey guys, it's me Shannel and welcome to a new episode of Shannel's Vlog! For today's video, may gagawin tayong isang unboxing video kasi yung Philippine Embassy sa Berlin, nag-send sila sa akin ng malaking package with 2 boxes in it. Yung isa is yung Visita Iglesia kit and the other one, medyo mas malaki siya. Ito naman yung Panagbenga Festival kit. Ayan, so ito din uunahin natin, yung malaki. And yeah, let's see what's inside the box. Mabuhay! The Philippines has a tradition of celebrating fiesta or festivals all year round. Different cities all over the country have different festivals that are held mostly in honor of patron saints and historic events that bring the community together. In this case, we're celebrating the Panagbenga Festival from Baquio City, Philippines. This curated kit is designed to make you experience the festival at the comfort and safety of your home. And here we got a dried flowers kit, a must nowadays in home decorating. This popular ornament will elevate any area of your home. This one looks really good. A guilt-free healthy snack made from 100% real local foods. It's all natural, and by snacking these tropical fruits, I'm helping the local farmers in the Philippines. Benguet coffee or Benguet Arabica is a single origin coffee grown in the northern Philippines since the 19th century. And here we got a handcrafted Capiz Shells magnet. Malagos chocolate is a premium chocolate from the Philippines. Their high-quality beans and chocolate bars have been garnering awards internationally, including 2019 Heirloom Cacao designation number 16 in the world. And syempre, before ako mag-proceed sa next package, tikman muna natin tong mga snacks na pinadala sa akin, di ba? Para may share ko naman ano yung lasa nila. I'm starting with this one. It's coconut, purple jam, and banana. Diba? It smells like banana. Let's give it a try. Hindi siya matamis. Tapos lasang-lasa mo talaga yung lasa ng banana. Wait lang, isa pa. Nabitin eh. Yung taste ng coconut pero sa first few seconds lang. Tapos yung aftertaste niya talaga is yung banana na. And the next one is, of course, hindi siya coconut, guava with ube and banana. So, ito siya. And medyo excited ako kung anong lasa nito. Kita niyo. Yan. So, let's give it a try. Dito, unang kagat ko pa lang, lasa na kagad yung fruit. Dito kasi, nasasayangan lang ako. Hindi ko masyado na-taste yung coconut. Pure banana lang talaga. Though dito, may banana rin, tsaka ube. Yung guava talaga ang nalalasahan ko. Aftertaste, may konting banana rin. Pero, more on yung fruit na guava. Ang next naman na titikman natin is yung 65% dark chocolate from Davao. So, Hindi ko lang kung magugustuhan ko to kasi napaka-high percentage ng dark chocolate niya. Pero, itatry ko pa rin. Kung hindi, bigay ko kay mama kasi siya kumakain ng dark chocolate. Wow, napaka-fancy naman ng packaging nito. Diba? Yeah, it's good. Hindi ko man sinasabi na hindi siya masarap. Masarap siya. Pero hindi kasi talaga ako yung type ng mahilig kumain ng dark chocolate. Kaya, yeah. Kay mama ko na lang bibigay. Pero, hindi ko man sinasabi na hindi siya masarap. Of course, sa mga kumakain ng ganitong high percentage na chocolate, I bet magugustuhan talaga nila to. Pero for me, it's okay lang. The next one, mas mataas pa pala ang percentage nito sa dark chocolate. Maliit lang siya, pero it's 85% dark chocolate. And also give it a try. Isang maliit na bite lang. So here we go, guys. Mas take note, maliit na bite lang talaga ang kinuha ko. Maliit na bite lang yan, pero napaka grabe yung taste niya sa dila ko. The next I got here is the coffee. So, since hindi ako umiinom ng kape, kaya ko papatikman to. Amoy kape. Malamang kape eh. So, and now I'm going to proceed with box number 2. In this kit, we're celebrating the Visita Iglesia, where people tour different churches in the Philippines. The 7 churches visitation is a Roman Catholic Lenten tradition to visit 7 churches on the evening on Holy Thursday. While unboxing this kit, I recognize a pamaypay, and since I got the chance to design my own, they sent me some feathers, a flower, a yellow ribbon, and some fake plastic gems to design my own pamaypay. Cocoa sugar, an organic sweetener, a healthier alternative with your coffee, tea, or juices. A rich premium dark chocolate with a calamansi caramel center and candied calamansi rind. Philippine jeepney is a public transportation in the Philippines with colorful design and accessories. Freshen up your day with the sweet, delectable juice, a mixture of the sweetness of Philippine mangoes with the health benefits of moringa. Last but not least, a mango sweet potato banana fruit chips. Wanna know how to make your own pamaypay? Let me show you guys. Since natapos na natin tong pamaypay ko na to, lakas makaanti. Proceed naman tayo dito sa nilulook forward kong snack. Yan. Kakatuwa naman, may ganitong flavor din pala, mango. So, try na natin to. Yung flavor pala niya, hindi naman, di tulad sa iba, yung ube. Mango, sweet potato, and banana naman. Wait lang, hindi ako nakapag-focus sa lakas. Wait lang. Lasang-lasa ko yung mango. Yung mango. Yung banana flavor, medyo wala. Aftertaste. Yung sweet potato, hindi ko siya nalalasahan at all. Last. Wait lang. Masarap siya. Masarap. Yung sweet potato lang talaga hindi ko malasahan. The next I got here is the calamansi caramel chocolate coins. Oh, ganito yung itsura ng packaging niya. Hindi ko masyado nalalasahan yung dark choco niya. Pero yung caramel, which is, yun yung nagbibigay tamis dito sa chocolate na to. Napaka fudgy niya rin sa loob. Really soft. Masarap. Ngayon ko lang nalasahan yung kalamansi. Nasa gitna siya. So the next one I got here is the Philippine Mango Morning Juice. Since yung sugar niya is with stevia, I guess this is more healthier than the mango juice I usually drink when I'm in the Philippines. I'm going to try this definitely soon. Then the next one is the cocoa sugar. I bet this is also more healthier than the normal sugar we use sa kape natin. Or sa kape nyo, since hindi naman ako coffee drinker. So, yeah, of course. Ang famous jeepney sa Philippines. Yes, para sa ref. Magnet siya. Pwede siya dikit sa ref. I guess we're coming to an end. Thank you once again, Philippine Embassy Berlin, for letting me be a part of this Fiesta Filipinas project. Thank you for sending me this package, and also huge thank you to Dean and Kuya Mel for organizing na makakuha ko ng package galing sa Philippine Embassy. Thank you so much for letting me be a part of this project. Sobrang natutuwa ako na nagkaroon ako ng ganitong opportunity na to. And it gives me a little bit home na since this pandemic, hindi nga tayo makuwi na Pilipinas, or kung makuwi naman tayo sa Pilipinas, medyo mahirap kasi nga do the pandemic. But this gives me a little bit feeling of being home. Ayan, thank you once again, and God bless, and Mabuhay Philippines!